Today, we're going to be installing these in there. Today we're talking about drywall anchors, as you saw. There's lots of different anchor types, lots of different substrates that you would anchor to. Drywall, plaster, metal, masonry, directly into wood. Today specifically we're talking about drywall. Drywall is hollow, screws alone won't stick in it. If you ever try to do that, it just will pull right out and it won't work very well. You can get away with using small picture hooks and things like that for super light items, but if you're trying to hang anything of substance on the wall, then you're going to want to try some type of anchor, and today we're going to talk about the 4 most common types for drywall. If you have questions after the video is over, go below and there'll be a link in the description of a cheat sheet for what anchors to use and when to use them. First type of drywall anchor we're going to talk about today is just a plain old plastic expansion anchor. It's 2 pieces, plastic and the screw. Drill the pilot hole on the package. The package will tell you on there exactly what size. This one is 3/8. Drill the hole, push it in, then the screw goes in and it expands. Second type we're talking about today, self-drilling nylon. Kind of looks like a plastic screw. It's got a tip. This gets pushed in, screwed in, and then the second part of the 2-piece system is the screw that screws in and expands it inside of the sheetrock. The third type is called a molly anchor, which is just a metal expandable 1-piece drywall anchor. All these work very similar. You're going to drill the hole that the package says to drill, push it in, turn the screw, and it's going to expand out and pull itself tight against the back of the drywall. This one's a little bit more heavy duty than the first 2. This one is the first one where you could really put some weight on a shelf or hold something up that's going to get pulled on a little bit. If you're going to do something heavy duty, something that needs to hold a lot of weight, a toggle bolt is definitely going to be your best option. Toggle bolt is also a 2-piece system. Comes with this, and this looks big and bulky and all that, but this is just for the install. The 2 pieces are really just this, the toggle, and this, the bolt. After you push this together, you'll put the screw in here and it'll pull itself tight against the back of the sheetrock. That's another video by Your Home Made Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.